How to use UpCounsel contract negotiation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. UpCounsel offers access to legal experts for contract negotiation, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce leverage or create legal risks. The first mistake is not clearly defining negotiation goals. Know exactly what you want to achieve, including payment terms, deliverables, and deadlines. Vague objectives weaken your position. Another common error is ignoring contract clauses that matter most. Terms like liability, intellectual property, and termination rights can have long-term consequences. Review each clause carefully before accepting terms. Many users fail to communicate effectively with counsel. Provide complete context and any relevant documents. Without full information, lawyers cannot negotiate effectively. Neglecting to document agreements is another pitfall. Always ensure changes are reflected in written amendments or updated contracts. Verbal agreements are rarely enforceable. Finally, some assume UpCounsel handles negotiation automatically. Your active involvement and decision-making are crucial to achieving the best outcome. To use UpCounsel contract negotiation properly, define goals, review critical clauses, communicate fully with counsel, document changes, and stay engaged throughout the process. Avoid these mistakes, and your contracts will be stronger, clear, and legally sound.